Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then act. First, confirm Swift and Executor versions match so binaries talk the same language. Mismatches break attachment. Next, make sure you run as the correct user or with sudo so permissions don't block sockets. Then open logs immediately to see the attach error code and timestamp. Once you have that data, stop unnecessary debug steps. You'll use the exact error next to guide the fix. Once done, dive into the middle steps to reattach the executor. You should inspect the configured socket path and file permissions because mismatched paths or modes prevent attachment. Then validate executor config entries, host, port, and auth token against the Swift controller so both endpoints agree. After correcting values, restart the executor service and tail logs in real time to confirm a successful handshake. You'll see a connect message. If not, iterate on the mismatched field. You finish by verifying attachment and running a smoke test. First, use the Swift CLI or service status to confirm the executor reports attached. This proves the control plane sees it. Then submit a tiny job to exercise task dispatch and observe results. This ensures the executor actually runs work. If it still fails, collect log snippets, socket listings, and config snapshots. These items let you or a teammate pinpoint race conditions or auth mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.